Hello, my people. I welcome now to Wetin dey Sele on TVRC. And I remain Fashola Babajide Emmanuel. And here with me is a campus babe, a campus queen, Rashida Hassan Abisoni. Rashida, you are welcome. As per Wetin dey Sele for campus, can I meet you?
My name is Hassan Rashida Abisoni. And I'm from Ekiti State University, Ado-Ekiti, Accounting Department University.
Okay. Well, I don't see my people. They are accountants and our future governor of Central Bank. I need that. Don't worry, you may feel a little bit jealous. We are still on campus today. So, Rashida, how is life in campus?
Campus life is actually interesting and so it depends on the kind of friends you meet with. That will make your life is good. Okay. There are some people like that, though. There are some people they are very interesting. There are some people they are just okay. It depends on yourself too. Depends on you too.
Okay. So why is your social life in campus? How is your social life?
My social life is okay. I do everything. I used to go out. But
hope you are not too religious in campus.
Religious, not at all.
So how do you strike balance between your social life and academics?
My academic life, I don't joke with it, no. But that social life is so I cannot play with it. So when it's time for lecture, I'll go for it. When it's time for tutorial, I'll go for it. And when it's time for other stuff too, like social, whatever, maybe they are doing, like all this cinema, whatever, where my friends are going out, I'll have to go to, and stuff like that. So,
okay, Rashida, do you club?
No.
Okay. Do you drink?
I don't drink.
Then do you smoke?
I don't like smoke.
I don't see it in you. But Rashida, how is it easy? Are you getting me? For girl of your caliber or of your kind, not to associate with clubbing, smoking, just like I've asked you the other time?
No, it's not that easy, but it's also easy. When you know the kind of place you're coming from, and number one, again, the people that used to smoke, it's not really their fault like that. Like most of them, they are like maybe because of their friends. Some is from home, maybe their parents do smoke and everything. So like the idea is straight from home. So they are the ones that will just influence others in school and everything. And some what's the name? Their brothers, their siblings and everything. The idea used to all those kind of things. So most people like that, and some people it's their self-interest. You just find it like, some people will be like it's part of life and everything. So they just find it as good thing. So it's not really bad for some people, and it's really bad for some people.
Wow, that's good. I love the way you dress decent. You look so decent. But is that the way you dress in school? Because I know there are some people they dress decent at home, or whenever they are in school, you see them with short skirts. They say yes, so your campus babe. Is that the way you also dress in school?
During the week too, it's not all this kind of clothes I used to wear. Like,
you wear skirts and t-shirt.
I don't like skirts. I don't like skirts. The only time I can wear skirts is on Friday, and it's not this long skirts. So I wear skirts.
Do you like wearing spaghetti? Yes.
No. Is that I wear skirts? I'm sorry, is that I wear gown or trouser? That would be like this.
Well, how do you love dressing? Is it just the way you love dressing also in campus? Due to your peer group in school, they may want to influence you that why would you just wearing?
No. It depends. There are some people like that. They change their mind easily. So they are the ones that are always influenced. Like they are the ones that people used to influence easily. And some people they now have a mentor. They now have people that will advise them to the right path and everything. So they are the ones that used to just enter all these cult group and everything. But the kind of place where I'm coming from, work see, I don't even try any nonsense.
That's nice. Actually, when I was in campus, there are so many people that dress exactly the way you dress. But I always find that some of them, they always put on chain on their leg. They love putting on chain on their
Oh,
so I don't know.
no. Actually, what's the name? Some people, like, when I was going to school.
Is it fashion or is your
When I
religious
was-
in
no,
this
normal,
religion
normal.
in this state?
All these dreams, leg chain, nose ring, like now I pierce my nose,
Yeah.
nose ring and everything. Is a normal thing in our own
It's
place.
part of fashion.
And even lally and everything is a normal thing in our own place. It's just part of like all this fashion for girls. But exposing your body and everything is not normal in our place. While there are some people, they just use all these kind of things to cover themselves. They are like, their own is even worse than those people that are wearing long shorts like that. Like, there are some people like that. You see them during the day, you see them normal. You even be happy, you even be jealous of them. By the time you see them at night like this, you say, and now, and some people like that at home. I have some friends like that at home. If you see them, the names they are bearing in school is different from the names they are bearing at home. What they can do at home is different from what they can do at school.
Like Sulia too.
No, some people will even be wearing Cynthia in school and be wearing Salamo. Like different stuff like that. People used to get different names. Maybe due to when you go to school, maybe their friends and also the kind of guys they follow and everything. So they will feel like this game was the part of everything. Some people used to form and everything. So
and even some they don't associate themselves with religious life.
no, me too. In school, I used to go to all these things. It's only Friday works. I used to go for all these things because
you attend the SWAT? Are you part of the SWAT?
No, I used to attend all these kind of things. But all those people that are there, most of them, they're always like, I don't know, they are
too religious.
It's not even about too religious. They are not even serving as role model. They are not even encouraging someone to come. Because if you go there, they are always the ones that are always their own. Was the thing that what they are going to say is even worse than we that we are not even doing. Their own is worse, like
so
they are not that okay.
Alright, Rashida. So I want you to tell me where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? I love everything about you, about how you have explained yourself, your decency in school and so on. So you keep it up just that way. But where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
You also know try not to say because you know what is as to ever since 2019.
In the average of 5 years, right?
So I am still in second year. So in case if I should not try.
Okay, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
Okay, I see myself like maybe
Commissioner of Police?
Commissioner of Police, like
First lady?
what's the
Your pastor's wife?
Governor of Central Bank.
Our first wife.
Actually, I want to become an accountant.
So, okay, no worry. God will definitely take you there.
Amen.
Inshallah, definitely take you there. Alright, viewers, on to today, Wetin dey Sele. We don't hear from our guest, Hassan Rashida. And Hassan Rashida, thank you for coming. And thank you also, viewer, for listening to us. So you stay tuned with TVRC. Thank you.